Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are an Etsy seller looking to boost your sales, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to be sharing 10 essential elements you must include in each of your Etsy listings to increase your average order value. So by incorporating these strategies, you will encourage customers to spend more per transaction. So let's dive right in. To effectively increase your AOV on Etsy, your listing should be designed to encourage customers to spend more. So here are 10 key elements that can make a big difference. First up, consider offering related products together at a discount rate. Bundles are a great way to encourage customers to buy more items at once. An example of this is save 20% when you purchase our matching necklace and bracelet set. This creates a sense of value. It can drive higher sales if you choose this route. Next, provide discounts for bulk purchases. This incentivizes customers to buy more to save money. So an example of this is buy 2 or more candles and get 15% each additional item. It's a win-win. Offer premium versions or add-ons of the product. Upselling can enhance the customer's experience and increase the order value. So an example of this is upgrade to our premium leather case for an additional $15. Make sure to highlight what makes the upgrade special. Encourage customers to add more items to their cart by offering free shipping on orders over a certain amount. So an example of this is enjoy free shipping on orders over $50 and add a few more items to qualify. This can help increase the average order size. Create urgency with time-sensitive promotions to drive higher value purchases. An example is for the next 48 hours, get 10% off your entire order when you spend $40 or more. Urgency can prompt quicker decisions. Implement a reward system for customers who make larger purchases or frequently shop with you. An example is earn $10 loyalty points for every dollar spent. Redeem points for discounts on future purchases. This encourages repeat business and higher spending. Offer personalization options that add value and encourage customers to spend more on customized items. An example would be add a personalized engraving to your bracelet for just $10 more. Personalized products often justify higher prices. Provide additional products or services that complement the main items and enhance its value. An example is include a gift wrapping service for just $5 to make your purchases gift ready. This adds convenience and increases the total order value. Finally, write detailed product descriptions that highlight the benefits and unique features. Make it easy for customers to see why spending more is worth it. So for example, our handcrafted leather journal features 200 pages of high quality acid-free paper, perfect for all your writing needs. The more value you highlight, the more likely customers are to spend more. By integrating these elements into your Etsy listing, you will be on your way to increase your AOV. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on growing your Etsy business. See you in the next video.